How to fix Fingerprint, Biometric, not working after Windows Update. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Re-enable Windows Hello Fingerprint. In some cases, Windows updates may disable biometric sign-in options or reset related settings. Re-enabling Windows Hello can restore access to fingerprint login. Windows might stop recognizing the fingerprint reader after an update, so verifying the device status can help pinpoint the issue. Expand the Biometric Devices section to find your fingerprint sensor. Right-click on the fingerprint sensor and select Update Driver. Select Search Automatically Driver. Follow the prompts to complete the driver update and restart your computer. If the device is missing, click Action Scan for hardware changes. Fix 3. Restart Windows Biometric Service. Fingerprint functionality relies on background services that may be disrupted or disabled during a system update. If you're using an external fingerprint reader, power-saving features could interfere with its operation after sleep or restart. Right-click each USB root hub and choose Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK and reboot the system. Users on community forums reported that disabling and re-enabling the fingerprint driver helped restore Windows Hello functionality. This method can refresh how the device is initialized after system changes.